Hey everybody, I'm Mason Ludwig, and welcome to this episode of Fueling Up America. This is a series that we're doing to help promote these businesses that we support and love in getting them through this pandemic. Many of you know Don's Auto Repair is owned by my uncle. My mom has worked there for the past 10 years, so I have an inside source about how good of a job they do and how good of prices they have. Don and his team will take the time to make sure your car is fixed right at a great price. They work on everything from tires and brakes to engine and trans replacements. Don is also excellent at diagnosing any problems you might have, including electrical issues. Most of their business comes from referrals other than advertising. So go make sure you check them out. Great guys, they'll get the job done, and you'll have a great experience all around. So thank you for watching this episode. Make sure you subscribe, and we got plenty more to come.